Hi, I'm Chef Babu Nagarajan, Associate Director at Indian School of Hospitality. Today, I'm going to make seafood paella, which is a very famous rice dish from Spain. So the technique I'm using here to cook the seafood is called searing, where we pan sear it on a moderate heat to ensure that the juices are trapped inside the seafood before you cook. Calspora rice, going to toss it gently to infuse all the flavor. So we have a measured seafood stock. I'm going to add that and allow the rice to cook. So this would take approximately 15 to 20 minutes to make a perfect paella. Add oil, preparing the garnish, gently saute them without overcooking. 80% of the rice is cooked. This is the right stage to add all the seafood and finish it to get more flavor. So I recommend seafoods rather than fresh water because you will get more aroma and it goes really well with paella rice. So once you add the seafood, try not to stir it. Let's plate it. Sauteed bell peppers, herbs,